Do you ever feel like budgeting is too complicated or restrictive? You're not alone. But the truth is, a good budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about giving yourself financial freedom and control, whether you want to save more, spend wisely, or get out of debt. Having the right budgeting strategy can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 5 proven budgeting methods that actually work. By the end, you'll know which one suits your financial needs best. Let's get started. The role of budgeting in achieving financial independence. Budgeting is not just about managing expenses, it's a stepping stone toward financial independence. The earlier you start budgeting, the faster you can achieve long-term financial stability and even early retirement. Many millionaires attribute their financial success to strict budgeting and disciplined money management. The emotional impact of budgeting can reduce financial stress and anxiety by giving you a clear picture of your financial situation. It helps in improving your overall mental well-being by eliminating uncertainty and surprise expenses. The sense of control gained from budgeting leads to better financial decision-making and increased confidence. How budgeting can improve relationships. Couples who budget together tend to have fewer financial disagreements. Transparency in budgeting can strengthen trust between partners and reduce financial conflicts. Teaching children about budgeting from a young age can instill strong financial habits and responsibility. How to stick to your budget without feeling restricted. Avoid being too rigid. Allow yourself occasional rewards for sticking to your budget. Use creative budgeting techniques such as gamifying your savings or using visual trackers. Find a budgeting accountability partner to stay motivated. Learn to differentiate between needs and wants to make smarter spending decisions. The connection between budgeting and financial growth. Budgeting helps you identify areas where you can cut expenses and increase investments. By budgeting wisely, you can allocate funds to passive income sources and wealth-building opportunities. Businesses use budgeting techniques to maximize profits, and individuals can do the same for personal wealth management. Advanced budgeting techniques for wealth creation. The 70-20-10 rule, 70% for living expenses, 20% for savings and investments, 10% for personal development. The FIRE movement relies heavily on strict budgeting and aggressive saving. Sinking funds, a strategy where you set aside small amounts for future expenses to avoid financial shocks. The impact of budgeting on debt reduction. Budgeting can help in creating an effective debt repayment plan. The snowball method versus avalanche method. Which one works best for you? How to balance debt payments and savings without feeling overwhelmed. Leveraging technology for budgeting success. The best budgeting apps to help you track expenses and savings. How AI-powered financial planning tools can optimize your budget, using automated savings features to effortlessly grow your wealth. Myths about budgeting that stop people from succeeding. Budgeting is only for people with low income. False. Even the wealthy use budgeting strategies. I don't earn enough to budget. Budgeting helps regardless of income level. Budgeting means I can't have fun. A proper budget includes an allowance for entertainment and personal enjoyment. The first method is the 20-30-50 rule. This is a simple budgeting framework that divides your income into 3 categories. 50% for needs, hashki, essential like rent, food, and bills. 30% for wants, things like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. 20% for saving and debt repayment to secure your financial future. This method is ideal for beginners because it provides structure without being overly restrictive. Next, we have zero-based budgeting. With this method, every dollar has a purpose. At the start of the month, You assign all your income to specific expenses, savings, or debt payments. So by the end of the month, your balance is zero. This method is perfect for people who want strict control over their money and like detailed planning. The envelope system is a cash-based budgeting method where you divide your money into labeled envelopes for different spending categories. For example, you may have envelopes for groceries, rent, entertainment, and savings. Once the cash in an envelope runs out, you cannot spend more in the category. This method is great for people who struggle with overspending and prefer a tangible way to manage their money. The pay yourself first method flips traditional budgeting. Instead of saving what's left over, you save first and spend later. This means you automatically allocate a percentage of your income to saving or investment before paying bills and expenses. This is ideal for people who want to prioritize long-term financial security and build wealth over time. The final method is the 80-20 rule, also known as reverse budgeting. It's simple. Just save 20% of your income first, and the remaining 80% is yours to spend freely on bills, necessities, and lifestyle. This method works well for those who prefer flexibility while still maintaining financial discipline. Choosing a budgeting method is just the first step. Sticking to it is the real challenge. Here are some key strategies to help you stay consistent. Track your expenses regularly with budgeting apps. Set realistic financial goals to stay motivated. Automate saving and bill payments to avoid missed deadlines. Review and adjust budget monthly as your needs change. Reward yourself when you successfully stick to your budget. To make budgeting even easier, we're offering a free budgeting template. Just check the link in the description. This template will help you organize your finances and take full control of your money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more financial tips.